Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So if you haven't watched me before, my name is Pamela Jacobs. I own Hustler Organics. So I sell conventional and organic butters and oils, also some DIY products that people can use for themselves, or they can use my DIY products to make theirs at home. So I always share videos here quite often nowadays. I wasn't as active, but now I promise I have been uploading several videos in a week. So every other day I'll post a video about DIY products and how you can use them to grow your hair, to manage your hair, to upgrade your skincare and hair care regimen. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe just to stay tuned with everything that I'll be coming up with. So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 butters that you absolutely need to have if you want to grow your 4C hair and if you want to manage it as well as possible. So please stay tuned to the end because I have a bonus butter that you just cannot afford not to have as a 4C hair natural. So for the 5 butters that you absolutely need to have, if you just had to use 5 butters, because there's a lot of butters out there. We have the Amazon rainforest butters, we have butters from East Africa, butters from West Africa. If you don't have time to have all the butters, or you just don't have the budget to like own all the butters or sample all the butters, then these 5 butters you should absolutely have. The first one is shea butter. So shea butter, everybody knows that's just a staple in every skincare product in everybody's home. Like if you don't have shea butter, or if you don't have a product with shea butter, there must be something going on. You should go out and get yourself some shea butter. So for 4C hair and most for type 4 hair, you absolutely need to have shea butter in your regimen. So you can use it to make your twist butters, your lock-in butters. You can also use it to make creams and other leave-in conditioners to just protect your strands. So shea butter is absolutely a must-have for 4C hair natural. So if you were dashing off somewhere and you just absolutely have to have just one butter, then it would have to be shea nut butter. All right, so number 2, so I've done my research. So I have a doctorate, I have a PhD in research and business strategy and things like that. So trust me when I say these are the butters that you have to have at home for your skincare and your hair care. So, but today I'm just focusing on 4C hair and what you absolutely need to have in your regimen to keep your hair moisturized and soft and growing and all happy and things like that. So number 2 would be Kokum butter. So Kokum butter comes from India. So it's an Indian butter, and it has some amazing properties that you absolutely would benefit from if you have 4C hair. It strengthens your hair because it contains those basic things your hair needs, basically. And Kokum butter is a butter that works in different ways. It's even though it's really hard, but then it adds this fluffy texture to whipped butters and other DIY products that you can make at home. So you absolutely need to have Kokum butter in your regimen in order to scale it up. So number 3 would be Cupuacu nut butter. Yes, so the first 3, oh yeah, I didn't plan this at all. So the first one is African, the second one is Indian, and the third one is Brazilian. So the third one is Cupuacu butter, which is a Brazilian nut butter. Oh, sorry, Brazilian seed butter. It's not a nut butter, it's a seed butter. So Cupuacu is an incredible butter. It just smells so delicious. Like I work with butters all day long. Like I sell on Amazon and I sell on my website, and my house is full of butters, oils, and things like that. So I'm always sampling, mixing, and matching and things like that. So Cupuacu butter, whenever I open it up, it just smells incredible. We carry the unrefined version of Cupuacu butter. It's such a beautiful, sweet looking. It has this very creamy feel to it as well. And so a mixture between cocoa butter and I don't know how to, like, everybody has their own like palette when it comes to smell, you know what I mean? So Cupuacu butter is just a unique butter, and it's so moisturizing for the hair and just softening. My hair is so thick, so whenever I use these butters, I just feel that softness instantly. So if I want to manage my hair better, I blow dry it and then I apply these butters immediately after blow drying, and it just softens the hair, and then it looks so beautiful when I do twist outs. So Cupuacu butter, that's number 3. Like, you need to get Cupuacu butter. We have a very pure version of it, and you will find on Amazon we've got an average rating of 5 stars on our Cupuacu butter because everybody just wants to get it. So number 4 that you absolutely need to have as a 4C hair natural. So I talk about 4C hair because I have 4C hair. Like, yeah, I got you. 4C hair is such a beautiful kind of hair. You just know how to work with it. You just have to understand it and appreciate it for what it is. You know what I mean? Like, it's not for everybody, but once you have it, you have to manage what God has given you and manage it judiciously in order to get, you know, the benefits of it. So number 4 would be Tucuma butter. So that's another Brazilian butter. It's obtained from kennels, and it smells just like a kennel. So everybody has worked with coconuts, and coconut, it's sort of in the family of coconuts, but then it's how do I describe it? It's just a more like potent smell of kennels. So when you open it, that's the first thing that's going to hit you, because we carry the unrefined version. We used to carry the refined version before, but now we carry the unrefined version, and it's just an incredible butter. I'm going to make a DIY butter with this so that you can see how Tucuma behaves when it's being whipped and, you know, used in hair care products. So that's it about Tucuma butter. And number 5, the final butter that you absolutely need to have, that will be Murumuru butter, another Brazilian butter, believe it or not. Like, I love Brazilian butters. They are just like incredible. So these are obtained from the Amazon rainforest, and they are just outstanding butters. So we carry the unrefined version. So when you find that Murumuru butter comes in different varieties, there's ones that you'll find that is darker yellow and some are whitish in color. So that's because when you harvest it, when it's fresh, you would get more wider harvest, and then the more it's on the ground and drying out, it will become yellowish when it's being harvested. So Murumuru butter, it cannot be used alone. That's the only difference. Like shea butter, you can literally just slap it on and get a move on. But Murumuru butter, you will need to add something, you know, in order to give it some kind of hold for 4C hair. But it's absolutely an incredible butter to have in your 4C hair care regimen. All right, so the bonus one that I told you to stay tuned for, that will be tamanu butter. Yes, so tamanu butter, it was actually featured by Dr. Oz in one of his shows. It's just an incredible butter that can do a number of things. It works as, it can work on the skin and work on the hair. It's a combination of shea oil and tamanu oil. So it's sort of a blend of 2 great ingredients together. And we carry it, the unrefined version as well. And you will find it on Amazon, on our website. And this butter, if you did not have any other butter, just make sure you have tamanu butter, because it's also soft. It's something you can just use without even melting it down or whipping it up. You just apply it because it's really soft and absorbs properly into the hair. So we have all these butters, and we have several other butters. So feel free to check our website and look us up on Amazon or other platforms, and you would definitely be satisfied and very pleased with our butters. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love the comments. Please keep them coming. Like and share with your friends. And please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye.